Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
We take you to Emevor in Isoko North Local Government Area of Delta State, where women and youths took to the AKUGHA highway to peacefully demonstrate and call the attention of Governor AKUGHA to the fact that he promised to construct a particular portion of the Emevor Orogun road.
Nothing has been done to the road, not even a chip of sand. So now we have been asking questions. For 20-something years, they keep promising us, we will do the road. We, the youth, we came up, okay, how do we send a message to the governor? So, okay, we went back on a peaceful demonstration, protest. At least that we send a message to the governor that, please, come and redeem your promises. You are the Ekwe can do in the English. Okay, that was how we carried out this protest, and it was a peaceful protest.
However, after that demonstration, a group of government appointees from Emevor, led by Dr. Paul Owe, a commissioner at the Delta State Oil Producing Areas Development Commission, DESOPADEC, held a press conference to denounce their own people and indeed denounce the protest, which they described as malicious.
Some misguided youths from this Emevor community, alongside with their collaborators from outside here, stormed the Ughelli-Asaba Highway in a protest. They were protesting to draw the attention of the governor of the state, Senator Dr. AKUGHA, to the deplorable state of the Emevor Orogun Road and asking him to keep to the promise he made to us last year. On behalf of the Emevor community, I apologize to His Excellency the Governor of Delta State, Senator Dr. AKUGHA, for this ill-timed and malicious protests.
The extent some people will go to just to defend their appointments and their principle. Well, it makes it clear that they do not serve the people, but they serve their own personal interest and indeed their pockets. How sad.
Inside the Niger Delta,